Hey guys, let's talk a little bit about Google's new chatbot which has become sentient. That's what the Google engineer is saying. Chatbot is able to feel the human emotion. How is that possible? How that has happened? How chatbot has evolved from being a question answer system to this stage? We will try to understand all that one by one, okay? First of all guys, I'm sure many of you would be using chatbot in your day-to-day life, right? You are using Zomato, you are using some Practo app or some other apps, right? Where there is a chatbot, you go and ask something, you get some response. At most basic form of chatbot that came into existence was basically a question answer. For example, you go and say, hey, on Practo app, you go and say, I want to book an appointment. And then there are respective answers for this. Would you like to book appointment today or tomorrow? Choose your time slot. In the background, one appointment gets booked and confirmation comes to you. This is a very simple rule based chatbot. But data scientists, machine learning engineers are not happy with rule based systems, obviously. Hence we went a step ahead and we tried to use some intelligence over there, where it will not be a one-on-one mapping or one-to-n mapping. Rather, system need to be little intelligent. System need to be able to answer the questions which are not, which can be asked in multiple ways. So chatbot became little more smart, you can say. And then came the third generation of chatbots, which included something like transformer, something like GPT-3, right? How these advanced chatbots are different from the traditional chatbots. In traditional chatbots, there are two types. One is rule based, one is smart, AI based, machine learning based. But these are new generation of chatbots, transformers and GPT-3 based chatbots. What these do? First of all, they do not process the information in the same way traditional chatbots or traditional NLP systems do. So traditional NLP systems will kind of map words to sentences or try to understand the meaning of the sentences in little different way than these systems do. Okay, so if you know a little bit about transformers, right, what happens in transformers is there will be a kind of relationship association of a word with all the words of the sentence, so that the sentence does not get confused on which word is intending for what. For example, if you say bank of a river, it should not get confused with a financial institution bank. This kind of smartness we are feeding into the transformers. Number one. Number two, why I am talking transformer is this new Google's chatbot is a transformer based system. Okay, this is the number one thing. Transformers are very smart in natural language generation, natural language processing. Second thing is, transformers are typically built on a large corpus of question answer systems. Okay, if you don't know guys, last year in 2021 mid, somewhere around that, the same system which is in news now, the same system, Google's AI system, that Lambda system, right, this is known as Lambda system, language model for dialogue applications, right? So the same system was able to answer some very interesting questions on Pluto, or some real world questions it was able to answer. Now what has happened is it is able to express some human feelings. Why? Suppose guys, you are taken a system, okay, and in the training data you have given data from all over the world, different scenarios, different environments. Okay, if you have given that kind of data, for example, to a machine learning model or deep learning model, you have given a input of, let's say, cricket, football, restaurants, world war, let's say some celebrity news, many things you have given as the input, right? So what may happen is these systems, transformer systems, which is itself very smart, and if you feed lot of information, right, there is a very good possibility that these systems will be able to communicate in the way humans communicate. Okay, very close to that. And that is what the Google engineer is claiming, that this chatbot is able to talk like a 7-year kid or a normal human being, right? And if you want to read the entire chat, like how the chat happened between the person and the system, I'll give you the link in the description. That chat, you will be very surprised to see guys, the way bot is answering to the queries, right? Bot is saying that I am afraid of being switched off, I feel emotions, I feel sorrow, I feel depression, I feel joyful, I feel happy. The way bot is answering, right, it is way advanced bot system. And I am not surprised, guys. The reason is basically two reasons. One is the algorithm that you are using is very advanced. Transformers is the base of this. Second, the data that you are feeding is huge amount of data, huge amount of data. If you combine these two things, right, you are going to get some amazing results from the bot. If not today, it has developed the human sentiments. If not today, tomorrow it is definitely going to do it, because natural language systems are becoming more and more advanced, and availability of data and power of us to process the data is increasing with a very high speed. With all these things coming into picture, I will not be surprised if bots are behaving in the similar way to humans in terms of feelings and emotions. What are your thoughts, guys? Please drop me a comment, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I will see you all in the next video, guys. Wherever you are, stay safe and take care.